G'day everybody, welcome to my demoulding of my Robbie. Couple-year old now, and I've just started to get a little bit of mould. I'll try and capture it. Yeah, a bit of mould here, see, on the canvas. It's not real bad, but I'd like to get it sorted before it gets any worse. Now, I am doing this in the dark because I work during the hours that the sun's out, so I do apologise for that, but I've got some lights set up here. First time ever using Canvas Magic mould remover. I'm not affiliated with them. I've bought it from a local dealer. Yeah, here goes, eh? So got my sprayer here, got from Bunnings. Now I'm gonna just pump that up. Make sure you use personal protection equipment, it says on the bottle. So I'm gonna come up here and just spray the canvas. Now I'm going to leave that for the 15 minutes it says on the bottle, and we'll come back and have a look while you guys are waiting with anticipation to see what it comes up like. I'm going to go and spray the rest of the camper, and hopefully we have a good result. So yeah, watch this space. I'll be back shortly. Okay, whoever's watching, welcome back to the after. Now I've waited about 20 minutes. It took me that long to go around and just spray the outside properly with my ladder there. But look, I thought I'd come and show you the after. You get the best shot without the flashlight. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, I thought it was a bit of an as seen on TV type gimmick, but turns out this stuff's the real deal. It's Canvas Magic, people. I bought it at my local dealer here in Bundaberg, Spick and Span Dry Cleaners. Husband and wife team. Shout out to their helpfulness when I wanted to buy some. Yeah, highly recommend the product. Cheers.